Now the compact bone, it forms the bulk of diaphysis of the long bone, and it also forms a thin layer of the external surface of the bone. The core is made up of spongy bone, but it is named compact as no space is visible by the naked eye. There are three systems in the bony lamella, which is arranged in the form of circumferential system, Haversian system, and the interstitial system. The circumferential lamella, these are arranged just below to the periosteum of bone. This is the periosteum of bone, and this is the circumferential lamella. It lies just below to the periosteum and just near to the endosteum of the bone. So this is the circumferential lamella. Then Haversian system, these are the concentric lamella which are arranged around the central canal. So this is the central canal, and the lamella are arranged circumferentially. The central canal consists of some blood vessels, nerve tissues, and the lymphatics. These Haversian canals communicate with each other with some oblique and the vertical canals, which is known as Volkmann canals. Volkmann canals. The third type of lamella are interstitial lamella, which are present in between two concentric lamellas. So this is the interstitial lamella, then concentric lamella, and the circumferential lamella. So in the histology of compact bone, in the transverse section, first we see the lamellas. These are the central Haversian canal. Around these central canal there is lamella in the circumferential manner. Then two Haversian canal are connected by the Volkmann canal. Then there is a periosteum of bone. So below the periosteum there is the layer of circumferential lamella. So this is the internal circumferential lamella, and in between these lamella the osteocytes are present. The third one is the interstitial lamella, which is present in between two Haversian systems. So the identification point for this slide is three type of lamella are seen: circumferential, the circumferential, then Haversian, and the interstitial lamella. Then the lacuna with the osteocytes are seen in between the adjacent lamella. These are, lacuna is a space, and these cells are osteocytes. The Haversian system is made up of concentric lamella and the lacuna with the osteocytes. Then another identification point is the Volkmann canal, which is interconnecting Haversian system, is seen. So this is the dry compact bone. Now the next slide is of spongy bone or cancellous bone. The spongy bone is present at the epiphysis of the long bone, and all the short bone, flat bones, and irregular bones are also made up of spongy bone. In the spongy bone, here is we are seeing the periosteum, which is the outer layer, outer covering of the bone. The periosteum in the two layer, outer fibrous and inner cellular layer. In the spongy bone we will see the cylindrical shaped trabecula extending into the inner side of bone. These trabecula are made up of a number of lamella, which is occupied by osteocyte, and the structure of lamella is same as we seen in the compact bone. So these are the trabeculas, and it consists of osteocytes. In between the trabecula there are irregular spaces, which is known as marrow cavities. So the identification feature of this slide is, first, it consists of cylindrical bone, that is trabecula, which encloses the irregular cavities, and each trabecula is made up of number of lamellas which containing the osteocytes, and the third one is there is no Haversian system is present.